Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify web player not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify web player not working, you should just go settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Then you will find this window of clear data or design. Don't click here because that can mix errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.